Hi, I'm Tanya. I am studying in Lady Shri Ram College for Women. I just completed my first year for psychology honors. I graduated from DPS Mathura Road, Delhi. The aspect of education that I enjoy most at LSR is the holistic approach that they take, and the sheer amount of exposure that you get to things like there's workshops on sign language, there's workshops on how to integrate your curriculum vitae, and the fact that you find yourself studying with people who top their respective schools motivates you to always push yourself the extra mile so that you're always the best version of yourself, which is the best thing I like about LSR. What helped me most to get into LSR was probably my experience with the English Publications Board in school, because I'm an ECA entrant. My ECA was creative writing, so I gained admission to the college through creative writing trials. My advice to my juniors would be the first point would be to attempt your board exams the best that you can, because the easiest route to LSR is through the cutoff system. So if you want to come to this college, you need to give your boards the best shot you have, and just know your books inside out, be well versed with your subjects. But if you're taking the ECA route like I did, you need to be the very best at what you do. I would suggest, if you have a performative skill, you should start practicing your routines or whatever much before the ECA trials are announced. Keep checking the DU website for all important updates, because they keep changing the system every year. So be well informed, get in touch with your seniors, and be the best at what you do. The best tips for preparation would be to study really hard throughout the year, I would say, just so that boards aren't the toughest exams you'll ever give. Be well prepared through your pre-boards and your pre-boards, and just give your boards your best shot. For the ECA route, you need to keep checking the website. You need to get your certificates in place. You need to form your CV. You need to keep practicing what you're good at, and just always be well informed and keep yourself in the loop. What I would say is most required to get into LSR would be a well-rounded personality, where you know how to handle your academics and your co-curriculars, and you don't have a single-minded approach to things. You should be able to look at things from all angles and just be able to deal with competition really well. With regard to the ECA admissions would be that I tried to broaden my horizon every chance I got. So don't just limit yourself to one sort of ECA. Try participating in all sorts of activities whenever you get the chance. Try drama, try writing, try oratory exercises. Just be a very well-rounded person. My overall experience from school to LSR would be I actually happen to like LSR more than I liked school, because I think one major key difference is that when you come to LSR or college in general, I think that you're treated as an adult individual, and your opinions are respected similarly, which may or may not be the case in school. So also the thing is, you get to meet a lot of different kind of people. When you're in school, you're sort of limited to this bubble of people that you've lived with for the 14 years or whatever. But once you come to a place like LSR, it's a tiny microcosm of people from all over India, and like people you've never had the chance to meet before. So it's a completely different experience, I would say. So I would say my experience has been very, very positive and very different. I did receive help from former alumni of my school, because I talked to this senior, Neha, who happens to be an LSR, who happened to be from my school too. She was an ECA candidate too, so she helped me a lot with the procedure and the process, and she told me how to go about things and what exactly I should focus on, what certificates I should go for, and that really proved to be a really big help. The kind of support that you can expect from an alumni would be mostly emotional support, because you need a lot of reinforcement that you in fact are good, and you need to have someone who will help you keep your cool, because the amount of apprehension that the ECA process will give you is a lot, and you need to always remain cool and always remain hopeful. Never ever lose hope. And a person who's been on the other side of the spectrum is the best person who can help you through it. I would say also they would share the kind of information they have themselves procured through having been on the other side of the spectrum themselves. So along with the emotional support, they can give you tips on how to go about the process that you may not know yourself.